Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I want to show you guys 2 braids, 3 hairstyles. So these are my 2 braids. So I'm only using 2 products today, and they're both from the L'Oreal Stylista range. It's the Sleek Serum and it's the Pixie Cream Wax. I'll leave them linked down below if you guys want to check them out. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoy it. Also don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I did say that I was going to make daily uploads every single day in January, and we're now up to the, what day is it today? We're now up to the 20th of January, and I'm really sorry to say that I have missed 3 days so far. We've got 11 days left of January now, so I'm hoping that I can just get these uploads out to you guys and keep my promise. Leave me a comment down below, tell me which one of these hairstyles you like the best. Is it 1, 2 or 3? And let's go ahead and get on with the video. So I'm starting off with straight hair. You guys know that I straightened my hair the other day using my Numi Mega Style hair straightener. I really like how it turned out because my hair is just like so sleek. I never get this. I just never usually get this. So I'm going to start off by splitting my hair right down the middle. And then when I get to about here, which is like just at the top of my crown, I'm actually just going to separate all of my hair from there all the way down to the bottom. And you want to tie off this section as well so it doesn't get in your way. So when you section this piece off, you can go ahead and flip it over to one side and clip it down so that it doesn't get in your way. I'm actually going to use some of the L'Oreal Stylista Pixie Wax Cream for this side of my hair, just to help the braids stay in place. So I'm just going to sweep that up here. You can see already it's like getting my hair to stay.
So now you can actually get started with the braid. So all of this is a cornrow, or like an inverted French braid or a Dutch braid, whatever you want to call it, except it's a little modified version. So I'm only going to take hair into one side of this braid. So I'm going to take hair then, and then as we come around I'm going to skip that time, and then as we come back to this side I'm going to bring hair in again, and then we're going to take that around, and then we're going to skip this side, and then we're going to take some more hair in again, and then we're going to skip that side. And this whole time I'm holding this really high to the top of my head, and I'm kind of pulling it closer to the parting because I want the braid to sit really close to the parting instead of sort of being in the middle. So just keep doing that all the way along. Skip that side, come over to this side and bring a piece of hair in, and make sure that the braid stays nice and tight. And it should end up looking a little something like this. So when you reach this stage, you can go ahead and start braiding all the way down to the ends of your hair.
So then you want to take down this section, and you want to get the exact same parting on this side.
Then you're going to want to find your parting again, and then smooth it down with some smoothing serum. So go ahead and comb all of your hair upwards so that you can turn this into a high pony, and use a small hair tie to tie that up. And then once it's tied into a ponytail, you can start twisting that round into a bun. So I just twist my hair over itself and I secure it with a bobby pin. And then you want to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. So I like doing this and leaving the plaits inside because I think they just add a little layer of detail to the bun. I think it's cute. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this Pixie Styling Cream Wax. It's not really a wax. I'm going to use this to lay my edges and just finish off this look, and that is look number 1.
I've been running
just need to get rid of the parting. So go ahead and tie this up because we are going to do a top knot. If you've ever been on my channel before, then you know that I love top knots. It's gonna go around. So you're gonna take a little bobby pin like this and pin it down. And then you can take your braids and start wrapping these around. And actually, with your braids, what you might want to do at this point is actually braid them to the ends, because we didn't braid them to the ends before. I was a little bit lazy. I'll admit it, I was a little bit lazy and I didn't braid it all the way down to the ends, but I'm going to do that now, or as far as it will go. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to wrap it around my hair like this. And you're going to do the same thing with this one. So you're going to want to braid this one to the end as well. So now we're going to go ahead and do hairstyle number 3. So for this one, just take your middle section and twist it into kind of a bouffant like this. Add some bobby pins onto it. And then you just want to crisscross the braids over those bobby pins. So for hairstyle number 4, you're going to split your hair down the middle again. And use your thin comb to define this section. And then do the same thing on this side. So now you can leave this like this if you want to, but I'm going to go ahead and put it into buns because you guys know that I love my space buns on this channel. So all I do to create my bun is just twist my hair really lightly like this, and then I go ahead and I start twisting it around itself. I also decided that I wanted to add some little rings to this, so that's what I'm going to do. I got these rings a long time ago on lamoda.com, so I'll link you to www.lamoda.com. So that is all of the hairstyles that I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below telling me which one of these was your favourite. Was it 1, 2, 3 or the bonus one number 4, which is this one? Thanks again so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!